In this video, I will show you how to insert a picture into a table in Microsoft Word. This method helps you organize images neatly within a structured layout. First, open your Word document. Place your cursor where you want to insert the table. Go to the toolbar at the top and click on the Insert tab. Then, click on Table. A grid will appear. Move your mouse over the grid to select the number of rows and columns you need. Click to insert the table into your document. Now, adjust the table to fit your content. Move your cursor over the table until you see a small square at the top left corner. Click this square to select the entire table. Next, go to the Table Layout tab in the toolbar. Look for the AutoFit option and click on it. Select AutoFit to Contents if you want the table to adjust to the size of your images automatically. If you prefer a uniform table size, select AutoFit to Window. To insert a picture, click inside any cell of the table. Then, go to the Insert tab in the toolbar and click on Pictures. Choose this device if the image is saved on your computer. Browse your files and select the image you want to insert. Click Insert and the image will appear inside the selected table cell. Or you can just drag and drop the image into the cell. The image might be too large or too small. To resize it, click on the image. Small circles will appear around its edges. Click and drag any of these circles to adjust the size. Hold the Shift key while dragging to maintain the image's proportions. If the image does not fit well in the cell, click on the table and go to the Table Layout tab. Use the AutoFit options again to adjust the cell size. To align the image inside the cell, click on the image. Then, go to the Picture Format tab in the toolbar. Click on the Align option and choose how you want to position the image within the cell. You can align it to the center, left, or right. If you want more precise control, use the alignment options inside the table settings. If you need to add more images, repeat these steps for each table cell. You can also adjust the table design by selecting the table and going to the Design tab. Here, you can change the border style and color to make the table look more professional. That is how you insert pictures into a table in Microsoft Word using the Insert Table and AutoFit methods.